For nature lovers, traveling to exotic wildlife destinations offers the chance to experience the beauty of the natural world up close. These locations are home to rare species, vast ecosystems, and breathtaking landscapes, promising encounters that create lifelong memories. If you are passionate about observing animals in their natural habitats, these 10 destinations around the world should be on your travel list. Whether you prefer trekking through dense jungles or exploring wide savannas, each of these locations offers something unique. Number 1. Galapagos Islands, Ecuador. The Galapagos Islands are a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts, boasting some of the most unique species on the planet. Located in the Pacific Ocean, this archipelago is known for its biodiversity and played a significant role in inspiring Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. Visitors can observe creatures such as marine iguanas, blue-footed boobies, giant tortoises, and sea lions in their natural habitats. Because of the island's isolation, the animals are remarkably unafraid of humans, allowing for up-close encounters. Snorkeling with playful sea lions and swimming alongside whale sharks are also unforgettable experiences for visitors. Number 2. Maasai Mara, Kenya. The Maasai Mara is one of Africa's premier wildlife destinations, known for its vast savannas and the Great Migration, a breathtaking annual event where millions of wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles cross the Mara River in search of greener pastures. Visitors can also spot the big five lions, leopards, elephants, buffalo, and rhinos in the park. Guided safari tours offer an immersive way to explore the region's landscapes and observe predators in action. In addition to the wildlife, encounters with the Maasai people who have lived alongside these animals for centuries provide cultural insights that enhance the experience. Number 3. Borneo, Malaysia, and Indonesia. The dense rainforests of Borneo are home to some of the world's most endangered and exotic wildlife species. Nature lovers flock here to encounter orangutans in the wild, often at rehabilitation centers such as Sepilok. The island is also home to the elusive clouded leopard, pygmy elephants, and proboscis monkeys. Birdwatchers will appreciate the presence of hornbills and a variety of other tropical species. Adventurous travelers can trek through the rainforest, visit the Kinabatangan River, or explore limestone caves teeming with bats and swiftlets. Number 4. Yellowstone National Park, USA. Yellowstone, located primarily in Wyoming, is the world's first national park and a must-visit for wildlife enthusiasts. The park is home to iconic North American animals such as bison, grizzly bears, wolves, elk, and bald eagles. Winter offers a unique experience as visitors can spot wolves hunting in the snow, while summer is perfect for observing bison herds and migrating birds. Yellowstone's geothermal features, such as geysers and hot springs, add to the park's allure, making it a destination where wildlife and natural wonders coexist. Number 5. Amazon Rainforest, Brazil and Peru. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, spanning multiple countries in South America. This vast wilderness harbors an astounding diversity of wildlife, including jaguars, sloths, macaws, pink river dolphins, and an incredible variety of insects. Guided river tours along the Amazon and its tributaries allow travelers to explore remote regions of the forest. Staying in eco-lodges offers the chance to spot nocturnal creatures and learn about the indigenous communities that call the Amazon their home. Each visit to the Amazon reveals a new layer of its incredible biodiversity. Number 6. Kruger National Park, South Africa. Kruger National Park is one of the largest game reserves in Africa and a top destination for wildlife lovers. Visitors can embark on self-drive safaris or join guided tours to spot lions, elephants, giraffes, and rhinos. The park is also known for its diverse bird species, including colorful kingfishers and eagles. Kruger offers excellent accommodations from luxury lodges to affordable campsites, ensuring that all types of travelers can enjoy its wildlife. The dry winter season is the best time for wildlife viewing as animals congregate around water sources. Number 7. Raja Ampat, Indonesia. Raja Ampat, an archipelago in Indonesia, is often called the Amazon of the oceans due to its extraordinary marine biodiversity. The coral reefs surrounding the islands are among the most diverse in the world, home to manta rays, sea turtles, reef sharks, and countless fish species. Snorkeling and diving in Raja Ampat allow visitors to immerse themselves in vibrant underwater ecosystems. The island's remote location also means they are relatively untouched by tourism, making them ideal for nature lovers seeking tranquility. Number 8. Pantal, Brazil. While the Amazon gets most of the attention, the Pantanal is actually the best place in South America for spotting wildlife. This vast wetland is home to a variety of exotic animals, including jaguars, caimans, capybaras, and giant otters. Birdwatchers will also be delighted by the presence of hyacinth macaws, jabiru storks, and toucans. The dry season between May and October is the best time to visit, as animals are easier to spot around shrinking water sources. A boat safari along the Pantanal's rivers is the perfect way to explore this remarkable ecosystem. Number 9. Madagascar. Madagascar is a biodiversity hotspot, with more than 90% of its wildlife species found nowhere else on Earth. The island is known for its lemurs, of which there are more than 100 species, along with colorful chameleons, fossa, a cat-like predator, and an array of unique birds. Visitors can explore rainforests, deserts, and coastal areas, each home to different wildlife. The Avenue of the Baobabs is a must-see attraction, and nature reserves like Andasi-Bantadia National Park offer the best opportunities to observe wildlife in their natural habitat. Number 10. Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. The Serengeti is synonymous with African wildlife and offers some of the most incredible safari experiences in the world. It is home to the Big Five and is also famous for the annual Great Migration, during which millions of wildebeest and zebras move across the plains in search of food and water. The migration attracts predators, making it an excellent opportunity to witness dramatic wildlife interactions. Hot air balloon safaris provide a bird's-eye view of the park's stunning landscapes and herds of animals roaming freely across the plains. For those passionate about wildlife and nature, these destinations offer unparalleled opportunities to connect with the animal kingdom. From the iconic Galapagos Islands and the vast savannas of the Maasai Mara to the underwater wonders of Raja Ampat and the lush rainforests of Borneo, each destination has its own unique charm. Whether it's trekking through jungles, embarking on a safari, or diving into coral reefs, these places promise unforgettable encounters with some of the planet's most fascinating creatures. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.